everybody, it's Shannon from the Hedberg Public Library Children's Room.
And Mary from the Hedberg Public Library Children's Room. We are here this morning to talk to you about a program that we're offering virtually this year with Take and Make kits and videos. It's our Learning Through Play program.
The Learning Through Play program is a perennial favorite with our library families, and we're excited to be able to share it with you in this way this year. Through the month of March, we're going to have a new activity each Saturday that will allow you to learn through play with your child.
The first kit that we're offering is a felt shape game. Everything that you need is included in the kit. There are some felt pieces in here. The kits are available starting at 9 a.m. Saturday, March 6th, which is today. So stop by the library or call 608-758-6585, and you can arrange for us to bring one out to you for curbside pickup. And the kits are geared at ages 1 through 5. This particular kit, we're asking if you would take one per family, please, because you can play it together.
So there is a method to our madness when we devise these kits. And as with all programs we plan at the library, we keep in mind the 5 practices of early literacy, which are read, talk, sing, play, and write. Now, none of those are new concepts. Those are all things that you've heard of before, and I'm certain those are all things that you're already doing with your child already. So go you.
This can just be a little bit of a reaffirmation that you are doing these things with your child, and maybe just a way to be more cognizant of it. Just think about this while you're doing it. So we're highlighting 2 practices of early literacy with this felt shape game kit: talking and singing. With talking, we know from research that the more words your child hears, the more words that they will know. And the more words that they know, the easier it will be for that child to learn how to read when the time comes.
Exactly. And we know that parents are a child's first and best teacher. So having this kind of an activity to play at home really reinforces that.
Absolutely. So while you're playing the game together, talk about it. Talk about anything you'd like. You can talk about the colors of the shapes. You can talk about some of them are round, some of them are straight on the edges, how many corners they might have. Or you could just talk about which one is your favorite. Which one do you like? Which one don't you like? Which shape makes you feel happy? Which shape makes you feel sad? Some of their answers might surprise you when you start having these conversations.
So the other part so we talked about talking, and this game also reinforces singing, because there is a little song that you can sing while you're playing the felt shape game.
So as we're singing, we actually, just by nature, break the words in the song up into individual syllables, which is an excellent pre-reading skills. The more children hear those words broken up into individual sounds and syllables, the easier it will be when they begin to read.
And while we're singing, we usually sing at a slower pace than we speak. So it makes it easier for a child, especially when they're just starting to learn and listen to those smaller sounds. It's easier to pick up with the child's ear when it's slowed down.
Yeah, so we could say, Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. But when you sing it, you break it up and slow it down. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb. You can hear all of the individual little syllables, and it's so important for pre-reading skills.
And also with songs, usually each syllable is marked by a different note on the musical scale. So that causes a distinction between each syllable as well.
One thing about the 5 practices of early literacy that I love and I think is awesome is that they're all kind of intermixed. So you might notice that you're playing, singing, and talking with this one. So when you do an activity like this, there's so much value to it because you're hitting on a lot of those 5 practices and those things that we know are so important to early literacy and to pre-reading skills.
Yeah, it's like a 3-for-1 with this game, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. Are you ready to play a game? We're going to play the felt shape game. So inside of your kit you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of felt that are different shapes, and there's a little circle. So you're going to hide the little circle under one of the shapes, put them up on a sticky surface. We're going to hang them up, and then one at a time we're going to see if we can find that shape. You ready? Which one is your favorite?
Because it's shaped like pizza.
You like that one because it's shaped like pizza?
Pizza.
That's so funny. I like pizza too.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay, we're going to play the game. So we're going to sing a little song, and we're going to try to find it. Which one do you think it might be hiding under? You think it's under the blue square?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to sing the song. Little circle, little circle, could it be hiding under square, hiding under square, look and see, look and see. Okay, we're going to count to 3, and then we're going to peel it off. 1, 2, 3. It's not there. Let's see if we can find it. Where do you want to guess next? Whoa!
Pizza.
Let's put the pizza back up. Okay, sing the song with me this time. Little circle, little circle, could it be hiding under triangle, hiding under triangle, look and see, look and see. Do you want to pull it off? Okay, let's count to 3 together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not there. Which one should we try now? That one? Oh, it's not there either. Should we sing the song one more time? Let's sing it. Can you sing it with me? Little circle, little circle, could it be hiding under oval, hiding under oval, look and see, look and see. 1, 2, 3. Is it under there?
Yes.
It is! We found it! Yay! So some different things you can talk about while you're playing this game are, what are your favorite shapes? Talk about what the shapes look like. Some have flat edges, some have round edges.
And some look like pizza.
And some look like pizza! So have fun talking and singing with your preschooler.
Pizza.
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 So we hope you come in to the children's room and pick up a kit, or call 608-758-6585 to arrange for curbside pickup, and have some fun. See you next time.
Have fun playing!